Alright, I'm going to show everybody kind of how I do my title blocks. And this is actually something that I set up with to utilize AutoCAD LT. There's at some point I had a few LT users in the office, and so this is to me the best method to utilize a couple of little automation procedures, I guess, if you will. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Just have two, or the two files that I have open here. I just have a pre-made title block first off that I've started with. This is just in model space, and this is just generic text and everything. In fact, let me show you basically what this is all about. Explode this. I'm just using simple regular text or even in text. There's no use of attributes at all. This is just very simple text procedures, and I'll show you why. I'll show you the method here later on. The one thing that I do want to be clear though is that not everything is blocked. Okay, if I actually move this block out of the way, I have some sheet specific items, which is my revision block, and then just some initials. That is going to be sheet specific only, and so anything within the block is going to be things that you're going to want to be common throughout the entire layout sheets. So anyway, I already have everything kind of set up just to kind of move along. So I'm going to get the title block into my paper space. Okay. Alright, now remember, sheet specific information right here. Everything else is going to be housed within a block, and I will explain this here in a second. First thing that I like to do is I like to basically keep my title block on a locked layer. I don't like anything adjusting. And so what basically happens here is now that this is blocked and locked, I can still edit it. If you double click, you bring up the B editor, so I can edit all this information that I want. Okay, so let's make another layout here. So as I'm making new layouts, the beauty of having it blocked is that whenever I edit the block, it's going to change on all layout tabs. So now that I've edited these changes in this title block, because the block is actually referenced to all layout tabs, it's going to update everything. So just my sheet specific items are here to edit. And that's the only thing that I need as far as just my sheet specific stuff normally. Now, one other step that I like to show here, I don't actually have this set up yet. You can actually use a field for your sheet number. So if you highlight the text that's going to be your sheet number, hit Control F. What you can do, you can go to Other, I believe, System Variable. And if you use the C tab, let's see. Okay, what this actually does, this will change the text to the current tab name. So save this X out of it, and what it's doing, it's pulling from the actual layout tab name. So every time I switch layout tabs, it's populating that sheet number. Okay, so now that I've got this in place, whenever I create a new sheet in 2-01 for instance, and then I go to it, it automatically changes. And that's pretty much my little AutoCAD tip for LT users.